Juicing has become an essential part of a healthy lifestyle, and finding the right juicer can significantly impact your juicing experience. This Hamilton Beach juicer machine, Centrifugal Extractor, model 67840, is a top contender in the market for those looking to blend convenience, efficiency, and power. This review will delve into its features, performance, and overall value to help you decide if this is the right juicer for you. The Hamilton Beach juicer machine sports a sleek black exterior that fits well in any modern kitchen. The build quality is robust, ensuring durability and long-term use. The juicer's design is not just about aesthetics, it's functional and user-friendly. The extra-large 3-inch feed chute is a standout feature, allowing you to juice whole fruits and vegetables without pre-cutting, saving you valuable time in the morning rush. At the heart of this juicer is a powerful 700-watt motor, which operates at dual speeds. This motor is capable of handling both hard and soft products efficiently. From tough carrots and apples to delicate leafy greens, the Hamilton Beach juicer extracts maximum juice with minimal effort. The dual speed setting allows you to switch between high speed for hard fruits and vegetables and low speed for softer items, ensuring optimal juice extraction and preserving nutrients. The performance of the Hamilton Beach juicer machine is impressive. It can transform whole fruits and vegetables into an 8-ounce glass of juice in just 9 seconds. This rapid juicing capability is perfect for busy individuals who need a quick and nutritious start to their day. The stainless steel micromesh filter ensures smooth juice by straining away pulp and seeds, resulting in a pleasant texture and taste. Using the Hamilton Beach juicer machine is straightforward. The extra-large feed chute means you can skip the tedious task of cutting produce into smaller pieces. Simply insert the strainer, lock the lid with the locking arm, add the pulp bin, and you're ready to juice. The intuitive design makes it easy for even beginners to operate. One of the major pain points of juicing is the cleanup process. The Hamilton Beach juicer machine addresses this with dishwasher-safe parts and an included strainer cleaning brush. The pitcher, lid, micromesh filter, and pulp bin can all go into the dishwasher, making cleanup a breeze. The strainer cleaning brush helps in removing any stubborn pulp, ensuring the juicer remains hygienic and ready for the next use. A unique feature of this juicer is the froth separator. It ensures that you get foam-free juice by keeping the frothy layer in the pitcher and out of your glass. This is particularly beneficial for those who prefer a smooth drinking experience. The BPA-free pitcher holds up to 30 ounces of fresh juice, making it convenient for serving multiple people or storing juice for later. Juicing with the Hamilton Beach juicer machine offers numerous health benefits. Freshly squeezed juice is rich in vitamins, enzymes, and minerals, providing a nutritious boost to your diet. The juicer's efficient extraction process minimizes heat buildup, which helps in retaining these essential nutrients. This makes it a great choice for health-conscious individuals looking to maximize the benefits of their produce. This juicer is versatile enough to handle a variety of fruits and vegetables. Whether you're juicing apples, oranges, celery, carrots, or leafy greens, the Hamilton Beach juicer delivers consistent results. Its ability to extract juice from both hard and soft produce without clogging adds to its versatility, making it a reliable appliance in your kitchen. The Hamilton Beach juicer machine offers excellent value for money. Priced competitively, it combines powerful performance, ease of use, and convenience in a single package. The durable build and efficient juicing capabilities mean you're getting a high-quality product that will serve you well for years. Customer reviews for the Hamilton Beach juicer machine are overwhelmingly positive. Users appreciate its powerful motor, ease of cleaning, and large feed chute. Many have noted how quickly they can prepare fresh juice, making it a staple in their daily routines. The froth separator and dishwasher-safe parts are also frequently praised for adding convenience and improving the overall juicing experience. Conclusion: the Hamilton Beach juicer machine, Centrifugal Extractor, model 67840, is a powerful and efficient appliance that simplifies the juicing process. Its user-friendly design, rapid juicing capability, and easy cleanup make it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced juicers. The 700-watt motor, dual speed settings, and extra-large feed chute ensure you get the most out of your fruits and vegetables, delivering fresh, nutrient-rich juice in seconds. If you're looking to invest in a reliable and high-performing juicer, the Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine is a fantastic option that offers great value for money. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.